Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here in this video, I will be unboxing, reviewing, and swatching the Born Pretty acrylic nail powders. And if you're new here, my name is Jess and I do types of nail videos, so that's what I will be doing here in this video. Also, if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to turn the bell so that way you get notified every time I upload. As well, do not forget to see that I am on the road to 10K. So as soon as I hit 10K, I will be doing a big giveaway, so make sure to go subscribe. And also, if you're new here, do not forget to check out the description for any of my social media. Make sure to go follow me on Instagram as well as on TikTok. And also, do not forget to check out the description for any discount codes that are available, so make sure to go check that out as well. And let's get started by opening the Born Pretty nail powder and start unboxing it. This is how the packaging looks, and it does say Born Pretty acrylic nail powder kit, quick extension carving and adhesive. So this is what it looks like, and then this is the back. So it does contain 3 acrylic nail powders and manual, and then the regular stuff that it has. And this is an acrylic powder, so I am going to start off by opening it and taking off the little seal. So this is what it looks like. So I am going to be taking the powders out. So I did take the powders out, and this is what they look like in the plastic. So it does come with a little manual. And in this manual, it shows you how to pick up a bead and how to place it and do all crazy kind of stuff. So you could do like a carving design. You could do like 3D flowers, or like use it as kind of like polygel, like an extension. And then you can use forms with it as well. And then here are the colors that are included. So it does include a white, a pink, and a clear. And as you can see, they all have different effects on what you can use it for and such, as you can see. So it says white acrylic powder is suitable for nail carving and French nail. The pink one is for the nail extension, and you can use it as like a jelly pink like effect. And then the clear one says it is suitable for any nail adhesive to nail rhinestone, or just use it as nail powder. So quick little manual, because if you're a beginner, this is perfect for you. It comes with 3 colors, the most colors you need, which is white, clear, and a pink. So let's start swatching them and see what they look like. But before we start swatching them, I am going to be taking them out. So this first one is in white, and that's what it looks like. That's the number if anybody's interested in just purchasing it separately. This is what the packaging looks like. I love the gold accent that it has. Very simple, but very like a pop of color, which is the gold. Next one we have is in pink, and this is what that one looks like. Same thing, love the gold. And then last but not least, we do have the color clear, and that's what this looks like, and it's just clear again with a pop of gold. So now we will be swatching the 3 of them. I will be using my Secret monomer, so I am going to start off by swatching the color white, which is what I want to start off by swatching first, which is this one right here. So I am going to swatch it on the napkin first and then show you guys after. So they do come sealed, so I'm going to just take the seal thing off. It looks like a really pretty, nice, bright white. So I am going to start off by swatching that first. And I am also going to be using my Easy Flow number 8 brush, which as you can see, I already kind of like messed up, but whatever. So make sure to get all your bubbles out. And then I'm going to pick up a bead. You just want to tap. And that looks like a really pretty, nice, bright white. So I am going to start off by swatching it right here. And that's what that looks like. I'm going to add a little bit more. So I'm just simply going to tap and swatch it on. And look how pretty that looks. Next, I will be swatching the color pink, and I believe this is possibly like a light pink. That's what I'm kind of thinking. I don't think it's like no bright pink or like a baby pink. It might be like a translucent kind of pink, so we're gonna see right now. Make sure to get your bubbles out. We are going to tap. So yeah, like I said, it was kind of like a translucent baby pink kind of color. So we are simply going to swatch it, and look at that, it looks really nice. So these colors would be perfect. I did mention this, I believe, I'm not sure if it was in a video or in a live. If you guys make sure to go follow me on Instagram. Like I said, I do go live. So this would be a perfect match between these two to make a French tip. It'll look beautiful. So that was pink. And then last but not least, I am going to swatch the clear just so you guys can see what it looks like. We all know how clear looks like. Even though this, oh yeah, it did come with the seat protector, but it got stuck to this. So make sure to get your bubbles out. We are going to tap, tap, tap to grab a bead, and look at that. And then that right there is clear. So I am going to be swatching the colors on my little ready wanted finger. So I am going to start off by swatching the color white. So again, I will be using my Easy Flow number 8 brush that I already messed up, but I am going to be using that and my new Secret monomer. Make sure to get your bubbles out and just lightly tap and pick up a bead. And I will be swatching it on the ready wanted finger. Show you guys, this is what the color white looks like. Look how beautiful and bright. This is perfect for Frenches or just one color acrylic, and it looks super pretty. Even for like 3D flowers, it would be beautiful. And this is what that looks like. So next I will be swatching the color pink. You want to make sure you're tapping like just like that and placing it on the nail. So I am going to go ahead and go in with another bead. You always want to make sure that you're cleaning your brush. So this is what the pink looks like. So it is like a translucent baby pink. So that's what that one looks like. So then I will be swatching the clear just to show you guys what it looks like. Again, you want to dip your brush in, get all the bubbles out. And then tap, tap, tap. And place it on there. So just to show you guys, this is how all three colors look like. So this is white, this one's the pink, and then this is the clear, and that's what they look like. Super, super pretty. Not too much on my application because I just wanted to show you guys the colors. So that's what they look like. And definitely comment down below which color was your favorite. Also, comment down below if you guys have tried Born Pretty, whether you like it or not, how you guys feel about it. I definitely love it. They are nicely pigmented and like easy to work with. Definitely good for beginners. So I definitely recommend if you guys are a beginner. And these are like the basic colors that you need for sure. Make sure to go get your hands on them and go try them out because I definitely love. Look at this pigmented white. I love it. And then same thing goes with the pink. The pink is perfect for like those French colors. So yeah, if you guys want to create a French set with this is perfect pink for it. And then obviously your clear, and that's what that looks like. These are the three colors here. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to give it a big thumbs up as well. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to turn the bell so that way you get notified every time I upload. Also, do not forget to follow me. Any of my social media will be linked down below, like my Instagram as well as my TikTok. Make sure to go follow me. And also, like I said, do not forget to subscribe because we are on the road to 10K and I will be doing a huge giveaway for you guys. So make sure to go subscribe and do not forget to turn the bell so that way you get notified every time I upload. Also, do not forget to check out the description for any discount codes that are available, as well as do not forget to check out the description for, I will make sure to link down below these acrylics for you guys so that way you guys can go check them out and go purchase. So this is what they look like. Again, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and it does come in three colors, clear, pink, and white, which are your main core colors that you definitely want to have in your collection. So make sure to go check them out and make sure to go get your hands on them ASAP, as well as you can use them to make sculpted nails, 3D art, use the clear for as like an adhesive for your crystals or your charms, whatever the case may be. Make sure to go get your hands on them because they are perfect for your collection. And yet again, I hope that you guys enjoyed and see you guys in the next one.